Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel, where I, Paige, wanted to give us all permission to explore worlds that we didn't create. Now this could be through books, movies, role-playing games. I'm dressed up because I'm participating in a fun RPG over on TikTok called Meat and Magic that my friend Momo O'Brien started. If you're looking for something neat like that to participate in like a fantasy tavern setting, I definitely recommend checking it out, but there are so many different options. I've also been really loving Animal Crossing. We are allowed to take a step back from our writing, take a break for an hour or two, play a video game, watch a movie, play an RPG, make a fun new character, and just let ourselves relax and escape for a little bit. Imagine and play and just kind of explore a little bit. Subscribe for motivation and inspiration. Let me know what sorts of games and fun things you like to do in the comments below, and I will see you next week. Bye everyone.